By this time of year, you've probably had your fair share of hot dogs and burgers. Now, don't get me wrong, I love them, but every now and then, you want to serve something a little different. If that sounds good to you, you'll love what we're making today. We start by sauteing some boneless, skinless chicken thighs along with some sliced onions in a skillet. Once the onions start to brown, we add some bottled barbecue sauce, a splash of water, and a bit of brown sugar. Now we cover it and let it simmer for about 10 minutes until the chicken is super tender. Now we take it out of the pan and shred it with a couple of forks. Once that's done, back into the sauce it goes. And the nice thing about this is that we can make it ahead and warm it right on the grill in a cast iron skillet or aluminum pan. This way, it gets a nice smoky flavor. Serve this up on toasted buns, top with some coleslaw, and you have a classic sandwich that's so good, your tongue will slap you on the back of the head asking for more. The recipe for our Carolina shredded chicken sandwich is online now, so you can enjoy the long-cooked taste without all the long cooking. I'm Howard from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a southern way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.